Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Manychat to your Facebook page so you can start building messenger automations and chatbots for your audience. If you don't already have a Manychat account, you can sign up for free. Manychat offers a free plan with no credit card required, and there's also a 14-day free trial of the Pro plan if you'd like to explore more advanced features. Let's get started. First, open Manychat and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to Settings. From there, click on Messenger, since we'll be connecting your Facebook Messenger channel. Inside the Messenger section, click Connect. You'll now see a list of your available Facebook Messenger pages. Simply choose the Facebook page you want to connect to Manychat and click on it. After selecting your page, you may be prompted to start a Pro trial. If you prefer, you can continue with the free plan. Once the connection is successful, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know your account is now connected. Click Let's Start to continue. In some cases, you might see a message about channel permissions being lost. If that happens, you can refresh the permissions or simply close the notice if everything is already connected properly. Now that your Facebook page is linked, head over to the Automation section. This is where you can start creating chatbot workflows for Messenger. You can choose from ready-made templates or build your automation from scratch. For example, you can create a trigger such as user comments on your post and then set up automated replies that will be sent through Messenger. This allows you to instantly engage with people interacting with your content. And that's it. That's how you connect Manychat to your Facebook page and start setting up Messenger automations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more step-by-step digital marketing tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.